So I think we are ready to start our second part, online lab tour. So whenever you are ready, you can start.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, welcome to WinLab. I'm Sumini, third semester of PhD. The student who is filming me with camera is An Byung-guk. I will explain 4 experimenters, starting with the introduction of laboratory. First, an introduction of laboratory. Our laboratory is conducting research on biodegradable plastic and plastic upcycling. Let's take a move to explain 4 experimenters. The first study is to converting the waste plastic into hydrogen using catalyst. The method to make catalyst is called the Jorgen method. First, put various matter into 1 liter beaker and heat it at 80 degrees for 11 hours. The catalyst react with plastic to converting hydrogen energy at 500 Celsius. We can make a eco-friendly energy for the future works. Thanks.
Hi guys, my name is Eugene and I am a master's student from WITLAB. I have been studying biodegradable plastics, especially about polyhydroxybutyrate, PHB for short. It is kind of biopolymer that is produced by microorganisms and accumulated inside the cells. To grow cells and achieve the PHB, the carbon source should be provided, and in my research, methane gas is the main feedstock. The microorganisms that I have cultivated are called methanotrophs. As methanotrophs grow, the methane gas is utilized as source carbon source, and PHB is synthesized under particular conditions. So this is the serum bottles where methanotrophs are growing. Inside this incubator, the temperature remains constant at 30 degrees Celsius, which is the optimum temperature for microorganisms growth. And then what I have to do is measuring PHB contents inside the cells and extracting them. Let's move on to the next part. After proper pretreatment with acidified methanol, the PHB parts that are dissolved in the solvents are analyzed by gas chromatography. The contents inside these GC vials are automatically measured by this equipment, and the results can be seen like this. With these results, I can check out if PHB is synthesized or not. So this is the end of my part, and I will hand it over to the next presenter.
Hello, my name is Yerin Cho. This is my first semester. This is my first semester in master degree, and I will explain the third research. The third research is to decompose PET and produce biodegradable plastic with biocatalyst. In other words, decomposing PET to PET monomer, and it can reproduce the biodegradable plastic with enzyme and substrate. Now I explain all processes. At first, incubating the desired enzyme on LB medium and extract it 12 hours later and start the plastic degradation experiment for 24 hours in a small incubator with PET. The PET monomer produced through this process is put into a microbial culture medium. as a carbon source of enzyme. This is the all processes, and the next student will explain the properties of biodegradable plastics. Thank you.
Okay. Hello, my name is Shin Che. I'm researching on biodegradation of biodegradable plastics. You've probably heard about biodegradable plastics like polylactic acid, PLA, and PHB. So I'm using 3D printer to research these. So these PLA and PHB are blended with conventional plastics like polyethylene and polypropylene with this filament maker. And these raw materials are extruded as filaments like here. And with the use of 3D printer, we can fabricate any type of material like this complex. Can you see the KAIST material? And these prototypes show various physical chemical properties depending on the blending ratio and the source of material. And I evaluate the biodegradability of these printed objects with this bioreactor. So as microorganisms break down plastic material, the carbon dioxide evolves as byproduct, and it will be converted into biodegradation level. So with this research, we'll be able to provide novel 3D printing option, which will open up more sustainable life cycle. Thank you.